Have you ever heard of lemongrass? You might know it as Capim Santo or Capim Cedrera, but what most people don't realize is that it's way more than just a relaxing tea. Its essential oil is considered one of the most powerful natural allies to boost your immune system and improve your overall health. But is all of this really true, or is it just another internet myth? Today, I'm going to show you the main benefits of lemongrass essential oil and how you can use it safely and effectively. Lemongrass comes from tropical regions of Asia, but it adapted very well to Brazil's climate. It was brought here during the colonial period by the Portuguese, and since then, it's become a common plant in Brazilian homes. Chances are you've seen it in your grandma's backyard or maybe at a neighbor's house. Its scientific name is Embopagon citratus, and its main active compound is citral, which is powerful in fighting microorganisms. The scent of its leaves is fresh and strong, and it's widely used in essential oils that you can easily find on the market. In aromatherapy, lemongrass essential oil is a real multitasker. It can be used in several ways and has proven effects as an anti-inflammatory and pain reliever. That means it's great for easing all kinds of pain, from sore muscles to tension headaches. On top of that, it works as a vasodilator, helping with blood circulation and even high blood pressure. But the benefits don't stop there. This oil also positively impacts the nervous system. It helps fight insomnia, anxiety, and that racing mind that keeps you up at night. It's even used as a natural mosquito repellent, thanks to its insecticidal properties. Another strong point is how it supports your liver. It helps the body eliminate toxins, which makes it useful for hangovers and even liver conditions like hepatitis. In the digestive system, it helps fight H. pylori, a bacteria linked to gastritis and ulcers, and supports healthy digestion overall. When it comes to bone health, lemongrass oil can help too. Regular use may assist in preventing osteoporosis by strengthening your bones and reducing wear over time. And we're not done yet. Lemongrass essential oil also supports the respiratory system. It's helpful for infections and sore throats, working to clear things up and support recovery. Emotionally, it's considered a strengthening oil. It stimulates the frontal chakra or the ajna, which is connected to intuition and mental clarity. That's why it's often used during meditation. In times of emotional stress, like relationship issues or tough decisions, it can offer clarity and courage to move forward. But here's the thing. As powerful as it is, lemongrass essential oil is strong and must be used with caution. It can cause skin sensitivity, especially if applied undiluted or on delicate areas of the body. Never use it directly on intimate areas or highly sensitive skin. Always dilute it with a carrier oil before applying it to your skin. If you enjoyed this content and want to keep learning more about natural health and essential oils, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos. See you next time.